Looking for reliable and affordable dumpster rental in Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota? Look no further than Done Right Dumpsters. Why choose Done Right Dumpsters? We offer competitive pricing, flexible rental periods, and prompt, reliable service. Our dumpsters are perfect for home renovations, construction projects, cleanouts, and more. At Done Right Dumpsters, we go the extra mile to cater to your needs. Offering a range of dumpster sizes to suit any project, big or small, our team is committed to providing exceptional service and ensuring your satisfaction. Our dumpsters are clean, durable, and easy to load. We pride ourselves on timely delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on track. Our competitive pricing means you get the best value for your budget. With Done Right Dumpsters, high quality meets affordability. Booking a dumpster with us is a breeze. Our straightforward and user-friendly process allows you to schedule your rental with a simple visit to our website or a quick call. Choose Done Right Dumpsters for all your dumpster rental needs in Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota. Visit www.donerightdumpsters.com dumpster rental Inver Grove Heights MN or call 612-403-5999 today. For reliable dumpster rental services in Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota, trust Done Right Dumpsters.